Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi, welcome to matsasurba online English video lesson for grade 7 of SMP or MTS with me, Ratna Hidayati. Today we are going to discuss about adjectives. Well, before we start, let's say the dua together. A'udzu billahi minasyaitonir rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Raditu billahi rabba wa bil islami dina wa bi Muhammadin nabiyyan wa rasula. Rabbi zidni ilma warzuqni fahma waj'alni min ibadika sholihin. May Allah let our heart be filled with light and insight and understanding and knowledge. Amin. The Islamic base of our lesson today is Surah Yunus, verse 36. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Wa ma yattabi'u aktsaruhum illa dhanna. Inna dhanna la yughni minal haqqi shay'a. Inna Allaha alimun bima yaf'alun. Most of them follow nothing but inherited assumptions, and surely assumptions can in no way replace the truth. Allah is indeed all-knowing of what they do. The aim of this lesson is, by the end of the lesson, you will be able to identify adjectives to ask for and give information related to qualities of people, animals, and things in order to identify, to criticize, or to praise them. Are you all ready to start? Okay, let's discuss about adjective. Adjectives. What is actually adjectives? Okay, right. Adjectives, okay, are words that describe something, or we can say describing words, or words that modify noun. Here's the example. The boy is studying. The boy is the noun. Okay, if we want to add with an adjective, okay, we have to ask which boy. Okay, the boy which is diligent. Okay, or the boy who is diligent. Right. So, a diligent boy. We can say in a full sentence, the diligent boy is studying. Let's have another example. Look at the girl. Okay, the girl has a crown on her head. We want to know about the crown. Okay, when we want to know about the crown, we can add it with adjective to describe the crown. Okay, look, and what is the adjective? Okay, the adjective that can answer what is the crown like. Okay, so it's a beautiful crown. So we can say in the full sentence, the girl has a beautiful crown on her head. Now let's see the following example. They live in a house. Okay, the noun in this sentence is a house, and we want to know more about the house, so we will add it with adjective. Okay, the adjective that can answer the question, what is the house like? Okay, big. Okay, big house. So we can say they live in a big house. Okay, what about the picture? We saw a dolphin. Okay, We want to know more about the dolphin. So we add it with an adjective to answer the question, what is the dolphin like? Okay, amazing dolphin. Okay, we saw an amazing dolphin. Look at the article here. Okay, the article here previously was a dolphin, but because we add with amazing dolphin, so after the article we have a vowel sound, so we say an amazing dolphin, not a amazing dolphin. Okay, so in a full sentence we can say, we saw an amazing dolphin. Right, now let's look at this picture. What is the sentence? Okay, they walked down the street. Look at the street. Okay, right. The street here is the noun, and to explain more about the noun, to clarify it, we can add it with an adjective. And what is the adjective? Okay, the adjective that can describe what is the street like. Okay, narrow and also quiet. Okay, a quiet, narrow street. So we can say they walked down the quiet, narrow street. So you can see here we can add more than one adjective to explain the noun, to modify the noun. Okay, let's have more example. The baby is sleeping. The noun here is the baby, and we can clarify about the baby, which baby. We can add with an adjective, okay, to answer which baby or what is the baby like. Okay, little, cute. Okay, cute little baby. So we can say, the cute little baby is sleeping. Okay, we have got some examples, and now let's see kinds of adjectives. Okay, articles. Articles is also adjectives. Okay, such as a cat, the happy girl, an apple, some books, few students. So the words a, the, an, some, and few here are adjectives. They are all articles. Okay, what are the kinds of adjective? Numbers. Okay, numbers are also adjective. Look at this, the example, 5 pages, 20 papers. So the word 5 and 20 here are adjectives. Okay, colors. Right, all colors can be adjective, such as brown boxes, the blue sky, green leaves. Okay, so the word brown, blue, and green are adjectives. They are all colors. Okay, shapes. Round tables, a square room. Okay, the word round and square here are adjectives. Size. Okay, tiny egg, huge gorilla. Alright, so articles, numbers, colors, shapes, and sizes all modify nouns. So we can say that they are all adjectives. There is still one more kind of adjective. Okay, it's conditions. Okay, look at the example, tired girl, fierce animal, energetic boy, Okay. Now, let's talk about rules of adjective. Rule 1. Adjectives usually come before the noun they describe. Look at the examples. Baby, little, cute, the cute little baby. Okay, the 3 words here are all adjectives. This one is the article, cute and little here. Yeah. Okay, all describes the baby. Building. What kind of building? Tall. Modern. A modern tall building. Okay, please remember that the articles a, an, and the are adjectives. Okay, let's continue. Rules, okay, of adjectives. Rule number 2. Adjectives that modify a subject of a sentence is called predicate adjectives. They are the predicate of the sentence. Okay, let's look at the example. Juleha is beautiful. Okay, beautiful here is the predicate of the sentence, and this one is adjective. Ahmed looks handsome. Okay, Ahmed looks handsome. The word handsome here explains about Ahmed, that Ahmed looks handsome. Okay, and this one is the predicate of the sentence. That boy appears too young to drive. Okay, the word young here is also adjective. Well, it's time to have exercise. Okay, look at the instructions. Which sentences best describe each picture in the exercise section of this video? Find the description on the Google form. Do the exercise carefully. Good luck. Okay, look at this picture. This one is for you as an example. Okay, and on the Google form, you will see some sentences. Okay, you can look at the picture on the video, but the sentences are all on the Google form. Okay, you will have to choose. Please choose carefully. Right, in this example, okay, the answer is the train is crowded. Look at this. Okay, the noun here is the train or a train, right? And the adjective is crowded. Okay, so the answer is the train is crowded. Okay, now let's see the pictures for you to have an exercise. There are 10 pictures here. Please look at the pictures carefully and find the sentences on the Google form, and then choose which sentence best describe each picture. Now that you have finished the exercise, let's make a summary. Adjectives are describing words or words that modify nouns. There are many kinds of adjectives. There are articles, numbers, colors, shape, size, and conditions. Adjectives usually come before the noun they describe. Adjectives that modify a subject of a sentence is the predicate of the sentence. Alright, this is the end of this video lesson. Please say Hamdalah together. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alamin. Thank you so much for your attention. We will see you again on my next video lesson. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.